Hello friends, Jai Bhim everyone. Friends, today I am making the leaflet. See friends, that leaf tree name is Butea monosperma. You know friends, that very lush green and that one is a natural. You know that available all where the tree. You know all season also. You see friends, especially beside the road only that available friends, that Butea monosperma tree. See friends, friends, I am collecting the grass. That grass name Pusa giant grass. The grass stem I am collecting for making the stitching the plate. See friends, then after, see friends, I am cleaning the which are the grass stem I am cleaning for the stitching the plate. Then after I am cleaning the leaves. See friends, one by one I am cleaning. You know this is resist the this leaves plate resist the micro and waterborne. You know that good to our health friends. You know our forefathers, they used to have this plate only friends. You know I am arranging one by one for framing one by one the for the plate. See friends, I am stitching and after then I am cutting the remaining stem. See friends, ultimately I made the plate. See friends, daily I am using this loose plate only. You know every day evening time collecting the leaves and I am making and I am using for having the meal this plate only. You know nowadays we are using the especially steel, copper, aluminium, fiber, paper plate, such like plate, but that plates are very danger and very harm to our health. See friends, I am serving the rice myself, hot rice and curry also friends. This curry vegetable name spiny gourd. You know friends, I used to like this spiny gourd vegetable. You know this seasonal vegetable only, the rain season only available. See friends, I am very exciting for eating the um, the having the rice, very hot rice. You know this is you know friends, our forefather in the old age, they were used this plate only. And the time whenever the time the function time also, any marriage time also, this plate only they used. You know everyone now see friends, the very delicious and very tastiest that curry and hot rice, very exciting. I have the excitement for having, for sharing, for I am taking the friends. Friends, watch the video.